Guru Nation, thank you so much for watching. Make sure you like, subscribe, comment, share. The comments do help. The likes do help with the algorithm. It definitely does mean a lot to me. Yesterday I got a comment on one of my videos. It says, Dan, can you explain specifically why clinical research will be booming in 2022? So first of all, 2021, busiest year on record for research as far as new studies, as far as existing studies. I've never seen it like this before. My colleagues who recruit for jobs have never seen it like this before. CRAs are in huge demand, coordinators are in huge demand, investigators are in huge demand, patients are in huge demand. I think there's a couple things going on. There's obviously a labor shortage in every industry. Our industry is not excluded from this. Okay, so CRAs, CRCs, investigators. Why? Because there's more studies than there's ever been before. Why? Couple of things. One of them is in the news literally every hour. It's mRNA vaccine. It's not just important for COVID. This mRNA platform is important for all kinds of research. Vaccines, for sure. This new paradigm shift is going by itself, just for vaccine research, is going to keep the industry busy, in my opinion, for the next 5 to 10 years. But on top of that, there is new research coming out of Alzheimer's space that shows, again, RNA methylation is something that they're looking at researching to potentially treat or even cure mild to moderate Alzheimer's disease. Looks more like treatment. On top of that, a favorite investor of mine who I follow, Kathy Wood, she's been talking about CRISPR and gene modification again using RNA. RNA is a critical piece of CRISPR technologies where they basically can repair damaged DNA. So the theme really is this RNA. RNA, this is going to be the decade of RNA. COVID brought it to the forefront. Everybody's talking about RNA now on a daily basis. But look at things like Alzheimer's. Look at things like CRISPR. Look at what my colleague Dr. Hazen is researching with the microbiome, where now they're proving that the microbiome, your gut, your stomach, is actually responsible for the signals being sent to the brain, which then controls the rest of the body. So the stomach might be the first brain, not the second brain, because that's where the signals looks like, and if you ask Dr. Hazen, she's going to say yes, that's where the signals originate from. Now, I didn't even start talking about immunotherapy and oncology. Huge. There is some RNA involved there, but we're looking more at immune checkpoint inhibitors, and there's a lot of exciting stuff, but oncology is always new research. So that's not necessarily anything different in 2020 and beyond, 2022 and beyond, but that's there still. Layer all this on top of a supply shortage, layer all of this on top of more money being poured into biotechs than ever before, from investors, from hedge funds, from institutions, from venture capitalists. Layer all this on top of decentralized trials with technology, trying to streamline, trying to find the inefficiencies. The inefficiencies and the bottlenecks really are where the patients are coming from. So decentralized trials aims to bring a virtual hybrid model to the patient straight to their home. Money's pouring into that. They have to do something with that. Layer all this on top of the supply shortage, which I already discussed, and you've got recipe. No matter what you are, somebody who's trying to get into the industry, somebody who's already in the industry, a site, a tech vendor, a CRO, a CRA, this next decade, and especially 2022, is made for you. Grab the opportunity. Times like this don't come around that often. I think we're in a boom. We're entering just the beginning of a boom period in clinical research. These are some of the reasons why I think so. There's obviously more. I'm trying to keep this video short. Thank you, Guru Nation. Let me know what you think in the comments below. Did I miss anything? Am I way off about something? Let me know. Take care.